आज ऋषभ को अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक छोटा सा टास्क दिया गया है कि आज उसे अपनी पूरी क्लास को पढ़ाना है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज उसामा अहमद खान. आई एम एन इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीकर, टीचर and founder of Excellence Education Point. Here in this video you will meet Rishabh, one of my student, and he has been pursuing spoken English course from our institute for 3 to 4 months. So चलिए देखते हैं कि आज की इस एक्टिविटी में ऋषभ कैसा परफॉर्म करता है.
And if you don't have knowledge, so you should visit a teacher like me. Thank you so much.
But brothers, business is.
I'm not your brother.
Sir, business is more risky than job.
Yeah, but your professor, myself, Rishabh Yadav, and today I'm about to teach you the very great topic, which is business. So guys, you guys must have heard that word since your childhood period. So now, first of all, before starting my class, I would like to know that does anyone have any idea about this particular word? Yes, tell me. What do you know about business?
Yeah, man.
Apart from job and apart from job, we do for earn money is called business.
Alright. So first of all, I would like to tell you that why should we do business? So class, as we all know that most of the rich person around us or in this whole world are businessmen, because whenever they started doing business, so they thought that if they will do nothing and they will do just job like most of us do, so they will not be able to become a rich person in their life. So guys, as we all know that business is that thing which makes us rich. Is that clear? So business is that thing which makes us rich. So as we all know that most of the persons have become rich just because of doing business. Now I would like to share few names with you. The first one is Robert Kiyosaki, and I would suggest you that you must read his books because he is a great writer and he is a great businessman. And the other one is our Indian brother, whose name is Mr. Mukesh Ambani. We all know him very well. And the last one will be our Mr. Bill Gates. So guys, now I would like to tell you that business is must in India. Does anyone have any idea why I have written this particular sentence? Business is must in India. Does anyone have any idea? No, it's okay. And now I would like to tell you the answer of this particular sentence. So students, as we all know that in our India, we have a really big population. We have the second largest population in our country. That's why our government is not able to provide the jobs to our youngster, or I can say to our Indian people. That's why we should go for business, because if we do a business in a short level, then at that very moment we will be able to start earning, which will help us a lot. We can feed our family if we do business, we can feed ourselves if we do business, as well as we can help people if we do business. But when it comes to talk about jobs, so to get a good job in India, it is not easy at all. So you must do business. It's my personal advice for all of you. business. Now, do you want me to ask some questions to you?
Sir, you did not tell us what is business.
What is business? I guess I told it in the beginning.
No, you did not.
I didn't. All right. So business. So guys, business is that thing which means that you start your own business. Like if you are not willing to do job, or if you do not want to work for someone, so you start your own something. Like if you even sell something, like if you even sell vegetables, that is also business. So business doesn't mean that business that you can do business only in a high level. You can also start from a low level, but if you keep on doing business, so it will take you, so one day it will take you in a great level. So that is the meaning of business. Now have you understood? So now do you want me to ask some questions to you? How can you say so? Do you want to say that job is permanent?
Yeah.
But as I told you that there are not so many jobs of government sector, so people almost do the jobs in public sector, and there is no permanent job in public sector. So how can you say so that is not risky?
Sir, I saw that there are so many people which had lost your business and come on the road.
Yeah,
they become
then
poor.
in that case, I would like to tell you that if you want to start business, that was a great question. Now I would like to tell you that if you want to start business, then first of all, you must know about that business.
Rishabh, it's almost 7 minutes. Or it's complete or great.
So you must know about that particular business, and if you don't have knowledge, so you should visit a teacher like me. Thank you so much.
दोस्तों, आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगी हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। आगे आने वाली वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और यदि आप भी इस पावरफुल क्लास का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर चेक करें। थैंक यू सो मच।